Hello traders, welcome to Trading with KS. I'm your host today again, KS. So last week was a very volatile market. We are just 1 week away from the US election and the market has proven its hand, has showed its hand. Okay, so it is a very unpredictable, very volatile market. During this time of volatility, a lot of long-term traders, they might stop trading this week. It is not a bad idea if you are trading longer term, okay, not to trade during this type of seesaw condition, because the US election is not, there's no clear winner yet. That's what we see. Okay, of course there are indications saying that the Democrat Biden is actually leading, but until the election is done and dusted, we will never know. Okay, just like the previous election, there is a poll say, Hillary Clinton was 90% lead, so it didn't happen. She didn't win. So the history teach us, not to depend on what the media is talking about. Okay, you look at the chart. The most important thing is you analyze what the news is telling us and we justify it with our chart. Okay, the analysis of the chart. Okay, let's go into the Euro USD, the daily chart. Okay, we do all our analysis in daily chart. If you cannot find a good indication, a good bias on the daily chart doesn't show you a very clear picture what's happening. Okay, it's best you analyze the chart that is one time frame higher, which is the weekly, or you can go to the monthly. Okay, always take a peek, take a look at the higher time frame. What is it doing? Okay, let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD has took a turn. Since last week, we were talking about the consolidation area here. Okay, which is the consolidation at this support resistance area. Okay, this was a false break. We thought this one, okay, we thought this one was an actual break where the price will retest and resume the uptrend. Okay, but it did not happen. Okay, the price just dive back in to the consolidation, never actually went up. Okay, never went up to indicate it's a trend resumption, it's an uptrend resumption, and it also broke the bottom of the consolidation. This is very bearish sentiment. So it is very likely that the price will retest this as one area, the previous low. Okay, if the price got rejected from the previous low, okay, then you have to take a look at the consolidation area, whether the price broke back up or the price come down. Okay, there are many possibilities nowadays because of the volatility and the unpredictable market. Okay, if it comes down, okay, if it tests this area again, if it's able to break this area, then very likely it will retest this long-term support resistance area. Okay, this long-term strong support and resistance area. Okay, if it cannot break, it might go sideways. Or if it can break up, then there is opportunity that the trend will resume. Okay, so possibility here, or possibility range. Okay, this is what we are looking at. It's very the market is just extremely unpredictable. The price keep on crisscross at the support resistance area. Okay, it ignore all the physics of the chart. So possibility Okay, possibility. Okay, so have to be careful. If you want, okay, if there is a bounce over here, okay, bounce over here, and the price come down, then this is could be an opportunity for a setup, okay, to sell the Euro USD, okay, where the USD has been showing a lot of strength lately, okay, with a possible target towards the long-term support and resistance area. Okay, do trade carefully, because this is now the market this week is very unpredictable. If you already make a lot of profit, prior to the election, you're near election and you make a lot of profit, and you want to keep the money in your pocket, there is a good option that you don't trade during this time of volatility. Okay, let's look at a pound. A pound also broke the uptrend. Talk about this consolidation area where this is a support resistance area. The price broke down, retest, finally broke up. But what happened after it broke up? Okay, we expect the price to come down, retest the resistance area and resume, but it didn't happen. Okay, the price straight away dived back into the consolidation area. So as long as price is still in this consolidation area, there's nothing much we can do. Okay, it's best, okay, to sit with our hands in our pocket for a while, okay, because there's no clear indication where the price is going. Okay, there's no indication where the price actually wants to go. Because you want to sell here, you got this strong support resistance area. Okay, it's very difficult to sell here, because once you sell straight away, there will be a lot of buying momentum over here. Okay, if you want to long, the price has broken the resistance over here, and the price has broken the resistance line and went back into the consolidation. So there is nothing much that we can do of this pair also. Look at USDJPY. USDJPY was a good trade. So this long-term support resistance area, price actually broke down and reached our target. Okay, profit target. So what we are waiting here is, of course, it cannot break, right? We talk about here, this one, the very important support area. Test one time, test second time, now test the third time, and it still cannot break. Okay, it's still price actually get the pull back, rejected back up. So we wait for a retest and resumption of the downtrend. Okay, if the price went back here and broke this support and resistance, okay, then there is a possibility of the trend changing to a uptrend. Okay, in order for the price to change to an uptrend, it has to break this area. Okay, this is very important. For resistance area, unless it breaks this area, we are still trading this as a downtrend market. If it breaks this area, so we will revise it maybe to a uptrend market. Aussie USD, we talked about this consolidation area last week. Okay, there's nothing much we can do. The price is zigzag in between this consolidation area, and this is important downtrend trend line that it haven't break. Okay, so the price has squeeze in between this support area, okay, and this downtrend. So now we will look for a breakout here, okay. Trade after a breakout, a break, retest, resumption, a break, retest, resumption. Okay, if you want to test, if you want to trade a breakout, okay, let's say you are a breakout trader, okay, once after a breakout, make sure the price don't straight away jump back in. Okay, if the price straight away jump back in, means this is a false break. A lot of false break nowadays. You can see the chart for the previous week. A lot of false break. Okay, up and down, up and down, up and down because of the uncertainty of the US election. So this one we have to wait with our hands in our pocket. Okay, New Zealand dollar, same thing. Okay, the price went up, indication of a bullish momentum, bullish price action, but the price really went dive back into the consolidation. Okay, so we have to wait and see. Nothing we can do. Wait and see whether the price break out from the consolidation. Okay, retest, resumption, retest, resumption. Okay, then only we look forward to a trading opportunity. Unless you know how to trade top and bottom, okay, you're a day trader, you can trade at top and bottom. We might be able to trade this, but this is very, very difficult to trade. Okay, more people lose money than win money this type of price action. Personally, for myself, I won't be going into the with a big position. Okay, during these hours, maybe I put my a little bit tiptoe around the good price action, but I do not really put in a big lot, normal lot that I will use during this type of uncertainty. If you want to trade, you can't stop yourself from being trading. Okay, you want to see how the market works. Make sure you go in. Okay, go in with a small lot as a training. Okay, train what happened actually during this election, and even after the election, you see a very nice price action move, a very quick move coming up, but a lot of time that this type of action is what do you call it? This type of momentum cannot be contained. Okay, it cannot be maintained. This type of momentum. So possibly, okay, trade smaller lot and wait for the election to pass. After we see a clear picture, who won the election, okay, whether it's tax cut or no tax cut, okay, whether there is fracking and no fracking. Once we already determined, we know what's the direction of the US market, okay, then only we will go in with a normal trading lot size. Just like the Canadian USD CAD. The USD CAD, we talk about this strong trend line, okay, that we actually hope that the price will actually came down the S2 area and test the previous low, but the price didn't reach. A little bit, okay, almost reached but didn't reach, and the price broke up. Okay, so the previous video when I said that, you know, the price broke up, it's best to put your the price broke up. I think I put it in my Facebook. Okay, I said that if the price broke up, it's best to put your stop loss at a break even around here. Okay, where you caught the downward momentum last time, break even, because the price, the US has gained a lot of momentum, the US dollar, and the price really see a big candle straight away come back to retest this area. Okay, so this is a very important area. The price will retest. Okay, if the price, see, there is so many indecision here. You see two dodgy candle to show that indecision. Okay, so the bull and the bear is actually same strength. Okay, so they are fighting over. Okay, it's like a tug of war. Okay, two people are pulling each other. Okay, the bear is trying to pull down the rope, pull it down to the bear market. Whereas the bull, okay, the bulls are in the other side of the rope, is trying to pull the price up to the bear market, to the bull market. Okay, so still a lot of indecision here, consolidating. So we wait for the price to reject the area or the price to break this area. Okay, so the price haven't break the resistance yet. So there's a fall over here. Okay, rocket flying everywhere, but no one won. Okay, so we have to wait and see whether which side the price actually broke. So this is I also post it on my Facebook. And here USDCAD said that USD has strengthened and broke the downtrend trend line, means this trend line. Okay, resistance area at R1. Downtrend line now, the price is near the test the important support resistance area. Okay, the price is near to test this support resistance area. If price break the R1, means this support resistance area, price may continue to go up towards the R2 area. If it breaks, okay, price might continue to come up to here. If the price is being rejected at R1, price may resume to the previous low or the target low. Okay. I also posted about this. USD has strengthened for traders selling USD. Good time to put your stop loss to break even. Okay, you see the US market has strengthened. Okay, USD has strengthened. Okay, the GDP very positive. Unemployment came very positive. The advanced GDP price per quarter is very positive. Also, that we are very near to the US election, there's a lot of uncertainty in the stock market. Okay, this is the time that people call the risk off. Okay, risk on, people will go to the stock market and the dollar will weaken. When there is risk off, means a lot of risk in the stock market. Okay, so people will jump back to the safe haven currency. Okay, where safe haven currency is Japanese yen and US dollar. Okay, so now there's a sign that people are actually jumping in. You can see the S&P, okay, has been dropping, okay, since this week, starting this week. Okay, S&P starting last week, actually S&P have been gradually dropping. Okay, the Dow Jones has been gradually dropping. The NZDUSD has been a bit more positive, and so this is a sign that people are actually, the fund managers are actually taking less risk on the stock market and coming back to the safe haven currency. So you can see the dollar suddenly strengthened, and we are so near to the US election. Okay, so gold. Okay, we talk about gold, the daily chart. Previous consolidation. Okay, price broke down. Now this is the next consolidation area. Okay, the price is zigzag between here. Price broke down here. Retest. Broke the resistance area. Retest. Okay, it tried to go up again, but it made a lower high. Okay, a lower high and went back in. Okay, this is a sign of a weak market. Okay, the weak gold. We take another look at the price. Something you can see, something like a head and shoulder, right? The neckline is somewhere about here. so the price broke down. Now it's retest the line here. Okay, so the price has come down. Very likely this is the important support resistance area. Okay, this area and this area. Okay, if the price retest came down and broke this S1 area, very likely the price will come down here. But this is all counter trend, right? I spoke many times that if you guys are not aggressive, okay, don't trade counter trend, because counter trend is a trade against the prevailing long-term trend. Okay, so you need to be very careful when you're trading counter trend, and you need to be a expert in trading to trade counter trend, because the probability of winning the trade is less than trading a trend continuation pattern. Okay, so if it breaks down, retest, okay, then there is a possibility to that the price will come down here. Okay, if the price come up, okay, if the price retest, broke this area, okay, and come up and also break this support resistance area, so there is a probability that the price will resume. Okay, during this time uncertainty period, normally gold is a good bet, okay, a good asset that people will buy. Okay, so you see that is why the price is in consolidation, because uncertainty, and the US dollar is also strong. Okay, that's why it's moving in a sideways market. Okay, it doesn't have a big move like here, you know, where the US dollar is weak. Okay, and the people go to the go for a safe haven asset. Okay, gold also is a safe haven asset, but due to the strong US currency, we are looking at the price zigzag between this support resistance area and this support price zigzag in here. Okay, wait for a clear break, wait for a clear break before you take your trade before you click your trade engine. Okay, but this is very risky to trade, because in this kind of condition we expect gold to go up rather than go down. Okay, so this is our analysis, our forecast for this week. Don't forget, okay, to share my video. Let more people watch this video, and hopefully they gain some knowledge and help them to do their analysis. Also, don't forget to comment. If you have any question, please do comment. I will do my part to help you guys. You know, if you have any question, I will try my best to help you guys to analysis whatever problem that you have. Okay. Also remember to subscribe, so whenever I have a new video, okay, you will have a notification of a new video, and also there's a bell there. Okay, make sure you also click the bell after you click the subscription, because if you click the bell, all my new video, when I post a new video, you get notification. Okay, also don't forget to check out my Facebook. Okay, I will post a lot of ad hoc information on the Facebook also. Okay, about the certain changes of the market. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Please stay safe from COVID. Okay, use your face mask. Now the bad sentiment in Europe, because Germany is talking about closing their economy. Okay, Italy is closing the economy. There's surge of coronavirus in Europe, in US. Okay, due to the coming the winter time. Okay, the virus actually is weaker in the hot weather. Okay, the cool weather might be a good place for the for the virus to multiply. Do remember to keep your trading size. Okay, to not trade a substantial size. Keep your trading size low because of the uncertainty of the market. Okay, and don't only trade the news, because there are a ton of news coming up. Okay, during this time of election period, okay, check the news and verify with the proper chart price action. Okay, stay safe. Bye bye.